passage of time unfolds, traditions and domiciliary configurations undergo metamorphosis. In the past, the architectural layout of residential apartments bore the hallmark of compartmentalization, delineating separate chambers through stout walls, housing distinct spaces like a servant's quarters and a plethora of lavatories, among other idiosyncratic attributes. However, in contemporary times, newer generations espouse the notion of more expansive and interconnected environments, averse to obstructions and exuding a vivacious ambience. This transformative vision crystallized in the context of a renovation venture, orchestrated in collaboration with a youthful couple who lay claim to a dwelling in the resplendent precincts of Itaim. Spanning a commodious 110 square meters expanse, our proposition encompassed the deconstruction of all partitions in the communal precincts, amalgamating them into a singular, fluid, and convivial expanse. The erstwhile separate domains comprising a parlor, dining alcove, culinary precinct, laundry nook, and servants' ablutions chamber have coalesced into a unified continuum. The antecedent domestic aids quarters have undergone a metamorphosis, reincarnated as a laundromat. These segments are distinguished not merely by function but also by the choice of materials for cabinetry and countertops. The kitchen adorns itself in resplendent ebony matte MDF cabinets, complemented by São Gabriel granite countertops, forging an uninterrupted band that traverses this harmoniously integrated sphere. Separating the kitchen from the living room is a white bar embellished with wooden accents, accompanied by a commodious dining table capable of seating a convivial assembly of 10. Adorning an expansive L configuration, cabinetry enriched with Frejo veneer envelopes the living space, serving a dual purpose as storage and a substantial bench, by virtue of its elevation and strategic positioning. The apartment's primary portal is unveiled through an arched tunnel, clad in verdant laminated panels, engendering a whimsical transition from the elevator vestibule to the domicile. Inside, a verdant alcove materializes for the purpose of safeguarding keys, invoices, and umbrellas, while an inconspicuous door leads to the powder room. The powder room is conceived as a beguiling anomaly, with its rustic aesthetics defined by coarse cement walls embellished in dual layers of metallic mesh. An artisanal concrete countertop is swathed in an ebony ceramic veneer. Cognizant of the youthful proprietors, the trio of extant chambers has been transmuted into a masterly suite endowed with an expansive walk-in closet, fashioned as an alabaster monolith accentuated by wooden handles. A second chamber, intended for guests but adaptable as an office space, occupies a symmetrical posture. On the opposing flank of the corridor, a secondary restroom is found. Save for the lavatories, the entire expanse boasts a Tawari wooden parquet flooring, imbuing these precincts with an enveloping warmth.